Hello and welcome to class today. We have a question before us. The question says, find the remainder. Say the remainder when this function is divided by the divisor x minus 2. What will be the remainder? That is the leftover. So the question is interested only on the remainder. So because of this, we are going to use what we call remainder theorem to answer this question. Okay, so let's have so we are here. Now, if you have 8 divided by 2, for example, this 8 that is dividing the 2 is called dividend. The 2 that the 8 is dividing is called divisor. Why the answer you get 4, which is 4, is called the quotient. Now, the leftover after division has been conducted is what we call the remainder. So here, the remainder will be 0 actually, because 8 can divide, 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0. Nothing will remain. Okay, so that's why the main function here is called the dividend. Then what it is dividing is called the divisor. Alright, so for you to use remainder theory, the first thing you are going to do is to set this divisor to be equal to 0 and solve. So we are going to say, let x minus 2 be equal to 0. So solve it. You have x is equal to 0 plus 2. X is equal to 2. Now, after you have gotten, after you set your divisor to be equal to 0 and you have solved for the value of x, the next thing to do is to say that the remainder is now equal to the image of 2, written as f of 2. Image of 2 means you go back to the original function here and plug in 2. Anywhere you see x, you put 2. So there is x here, so you are going to write 2 raised to the power 3. Now plus, there is 3 here, then there is x somewhere here. You are going to say, you put 2 and put a square above it. You put your minus. There is x here, put 2 plus 1. Okay, so this one, 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. That 4 times 2 is going to give you 8. So here is 8 plus 3. 2 squared is 2 times 2. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which will give you 4. So here you have 4. Minus 2 plus 1. Okay? Minus 2 plus 1. Alright? So let's see what we have next. Let's see what we have next. So we're going to have, if you have 8 here, 3 times 4, you have 12, minus 2 plus 1. I hope you are following. Now, at this point, you can decide to add here this and this. By saying 8 plus 12, you're going to get 20. Then take away 2 plus 1. Alright, so 20 take away 2 is 18 plus 1. You're going to get 19. So we're going to say, therefore, the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 2 is 19. There is another method. That method is called polynomial division. If you divide the main function by the divisor, when you are done, the leftover will still be this 19 that we just got now. So if the question is interested only on the remainder, we use remainder theorem direct just to get our answer Okay, so I have something here for you. Ensure you do it. I have something for you. Make sure you do it. So this is your own question. When you are done, compare your answer with option A, B, C, and D. And then select your answer and put it in the comment section.